Teams is a powerful collaboration application for your department, committee, group, or organization. Not only can you chat with the people in a team you create, but you can share files, diagrams, OneNotes and more. In addition, you have the power of channels. Click the arrow next to a team to see the channels. By default, your team comes with one channel, available to everyone in the team. But you can create more. Here you'll see more than 9 additional channels created in the IT team. You can also make some of the channels only available to a specific subset of team members. If you do that, you'll see a lock icon next to the channel name. To add users to a channel, click the 3-dot icon for more options. And in Manage Channel you can see who can access the channel and add or remove users. We will look at this more later. Within the channels you can communicate with the people in that channel. Share files. Add Microsoft planners. And loads of other applications. Let's create a new team. Open the Teams app on your computer or go to teams.office.com in a web browser. Click on the plus sign next to the work teams. Click Create Team. Select your template. I prefer to choose staff or other. Do not choose class unless it's actually for a class. It has some strange features that make sharing difficult. Click Use this template. Choose public or private. Private is the most common. Give your team a team name and a description, which is optional. Click Create. You can now add your team members. This will give these individuals access to the team and the general channel. Type a name and it will begin to search the campus directory. Select the person you want. Continue this process until everyone is added. After you have everyone added, you can then choose their access status by clicking on the down arrow next to Member. Owner has access to everything within the team. Member has access only to what is given to them. You can also add individuals from outside of campus by following the instructions at the top or clicking on Learn about adding guests. When finished, click Add. Now let's access our team and add channels. Click on the team you just made. To add a channel, click on the 3 dots, More Options, next to the team and select Add Channel. You notice that you can also add new members here as well. Type in a channel name. Under Channel Type, select the type of access you want. I'm going to click on Private. Then click Create. Because I chose Private, I now need to add which users can access this specific channel. You do this in the same way you added users to the team. In this instance, you can only add people to the channel who are already team members. Click Add. Now within that channel, we can have discussions in the Posts area. Click Start a Post. Now you can write your post. You'll notice you have a full set of formatting options at the top and the ability to add attachments, GIFs, and stickers at the bottom. When finished writing your post, click Post. Others in the team can read and reply. Click Files to drag and drop files to share with those in this channel. With your mouse, click and drag a file, then drop it in the main area where it reads name, modified, etc. You can also create files and folders from scratch under the New button. Now click on the plus sign icon in the top navigation to add other applications. You can search for something you want or scroll through to find and select it. I'm going to search for OneNote. Click on the application to view it. Click Add to add it to your team. Let's go ahead and create a OneNote notebook for our team. Click on Create New Notebook. Give it a title. Click Save. Now you have a place for your meeting minutes. Here's a tip. When in a post on any channel, there are a few ways to ensure that your team members know there is a post. First, click the important icon. This will cause teams to send an email notifications to the people on the channel. Second tip is that, in the body of the message, you can type the @ in from of the channel name, or a person's name, and it will search for their name. Click on it to ensure the user or the channel group is notified. For example, To notify the general channel, type in the @ and general without any spaces. Then click on the word general when it pops up. You can do the same with an individual in the team or channel. That's it. You're done.